Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I'm gonna start by outlining my eyes. So this is just gonna help me know where I want the depth of my eyes to be. So next I'm gonna take this CC Beauty cream palette. I bought this on Amazon last year, I believe. It's a cheaper version of the Makeup Forever cream palette, and I feel like it's just the same. So if you're looking for something affordable, I suggest this. Anyway, so I'm just taking this color and outlining little petals around that black outline that we did, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and fill them in. And once I am done filling in the petals, I'm going to go ahead and take some white and outline them so they can pop out more and they actually look like petals instead of just yellow blobs on your face. Moving on to the eyes, I'm going to be using L'Oreal Los Angeles Party Animal, and I'm going to take the shade Damage Control and apply this as a transition shade. I'm going to buff this all over the crease and also bring it up all the way to the eyebrow. And I'm also going to put this in the lower lash line just to buff it out and make that the transition shade. Next, I'm going to be taking the shade Karaoke from Party Animal, and I'm going to be using this shade to deepen out the crease, and I'm also going to place this shade closer to my lash line and just buff it out. Then using the electric palette from Urban Decay, I'm taking the shade Savage and applying this all over the lid. And I'm also going to bring it into the crease to create a deeper color, like a deeper purple color, so we can have that transition shades from dark to light as it goes towards the eyebrow. Next, I'm just going to go back and blend out the crease with the brush that we applied Karaoke with. And I'm also going to go back and intensify all the colors, starting with Savage and then moving on with Karaoke. Intensify. I really want that crease to be really intense, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it out again. Then I'm gonna go into the lower lash line and apply Karaoke very close to my waterline and intensify it and blend it out. Then I'm taking the shade Bottoms Up and placing it on top of Savage just to get the sparkle going. So to create this wing eyeliner, I'm actually using a Inglot gel eyeliner, the light blue one. Once you're done with your wing, I'm actually going back to the CC Beauty palette and I'm taking the black to re-outline the black that we went in with first. And I'm going to intensify and blend this out towards my brow. You want the brow part to look the darkest and then buff it out with a pencil brush so it can blend in towards that light blue that we went in with, Damage Control. And then once you are done intensifying everything and buffing all that black cream color, I'm going to go ahead and take this NYX black eyeshadow and set it so it doesn't move. And the black eyeshadow is going to intensify the black even more, so it's going to look even darker. Then using the NYX Hot Yellow, I'm using this to set the flower, so all that yellow that we have going on, I'm going to set it so it doesn't move either. Next, I'm moving on to the face, and I'm actually using a light foundation for this part, and with a small brush, I'm using this e.l.f. concealer brush, And I'm putting this all over the face, getting very close to the petals, not getting it on the petals but very close to it, and just putting this all over my face to make it light. And then I'm using the airspun powder to set the foundation, and then I'm using the pink shade from the CC palette and outlining the hollows of the face with this. So using this double-sided brush, I'm using the pencil side to buff out that cream color into the hairline. Then I'm taking the other side of the brush and dipping it into this NYX Hot Fuchsia color, and I'm gonna use this shade to set the pink base and also use this to blend out that contour, make it look less harsh going down to the chin and also blending it towards the hairline. And then next I'm going to go ahead and create an upside down heart on my nose, filling it in, and using the NYX black eyeshadow I'm going to set that too. Okay, so for this next part, I'm moving on to the forehead, and I'm going to take the light blue from the CC Beauty palette and create a diamond shape, fill it in with that blue, and then I'm going to set it with the pink eyeshadow from NYX, and that's going to turn it into a purple, which is what I want. And yeah, let me show you what I'm doing. Okay, so to set the corners of this diamond shape, I'm actually taking a flat eyeliner brush, and that's going to make setting the corners and the edges look a lot more cleaner than doing it with the other brush that I was doing it with. So yeah, make your life easier and use a flat eyeshadow brush or a flat eyeliner brush. Next, I'm going to create these water droplets, I'm going to call them, and fill them in, but not all the way. I'm gonna leave an empty space because I'm gonna go ahead and fill those in with the pink later on. But you guys are seeing what I'm doing because I don't know how to explain myself. So yeah, so here's where I'm filling it in with that pink cream color. And that is it for the forehead. And then I'm just gonna move on to the chin and create two little swirlies on my chin because it was looking a little empty, and I'm gonna outline the outside of them. One of them is gonna be blue and the other one is gonna be pink. Here I'm showing you guys the blue one. And I'm also gonna create an upside down water droplet that I'm calling them, and with dark blue, and in the middle I'm just gonna shade it in white and just blend that in so it looks like a little ombre from dark blue to white. And so once I'm done shading it in, I'm going to go ahead and place a pink jewel in the center of it, and in my diamond I'm gonna place a blue one in the center, then a pink one lower, and then a white one. And to finish off this look, I'm just going to apply some black lipstick. This is a Wet n Wild one. And to complete this look, I'm applying my headband. And this will complete the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. I can see